Welcome to Study Loop.
We assume the rate is of 1.2 times 10 to the power minus 3 meter per year is the linear speed of the top. A linear speed of the top. And then from here we can find omega. Omega will be 1.2 times 10 to the power minus 3 meter per year divided by r, which is 5 meter. This will give us 2.18 times 10 to the power minus 5 radian per year, which we can convert into radians second by converting year into seconds. This will be, there are 3.16 times 10 to the power 7 seconds in a year. Then we can write omega will be in radian per second, 6.9 times 10 to the power minus 13 radian per second.